Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover FC mobile guest account. So let's begin. First, we'll need to go to your Chrome browser or you can also use your mobile device. Look for recover FC and it will show the very first option which is the EA.L. Click on that. Once here in their section for home, the help options, scroll down and see all help options. Okay. Then you will see all the available links or tabs you can look into depending on how you want to recover your account. Like, for example, let me just see in here. I need help with my hacked account. Like, if you believe that is the case, click on that. Or I want something much more specific. Let's see. Um, oh yeah, I want to recover my deleted account and so forth. There's also a login. I need help logging into my account. Click on those, and if something didn't match up with your very specific scenario, you can definitely chat with us. Click on that. Either way, both way, they will communicate with you through your email and provide you with a guide on how to recover your account. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.